We'll guide you through how to make concrete in Minecraft. If you find this guide useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. So what you're going to go and need is sand, gravel and a dye. You need a minimum of 4 bits of sand, so I'll grab 4 bits just like so, and then I'll go and get 4 bits of gravel. You can often find gravel in the ocean, and there are a few other places as well. For example, down here we can go and see there's some gravel. And then what you also need is some dye. So you can get dye from all types of different things. For example, flowers, bone meal, loads of different colours. I've got some here. And then all you need to do is come to a crafting table, go and put 4 bits of sand in, it doesn't matter the formation of it, and then go and put some dye in, and as you can see, you go and get red concrete powder, not concrete. To go and make powder into concrete, all you need to do is go and place it in water, like so, or next to it, and as you can see, we've now gone and got concrete blocks, just like so, it's that simple. If you found this useful, then please leave a like.